Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Google Chrome black screen problem. First option is, click three dots in the right corner of the browser. Click Settings. Click Advanced. Turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Relaunch the browser. The second method is, click Advanced Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.